Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for clicking on KR69ODL. So here we have the black Karoq in manual. So here we have the dashboard. Some of the standard specification that this Karoq comes with is the infotainment system, which has SmartLink, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also have dual climate control. It also comes with cruise control, and you have electric windows. So here we have the interior. So another standard specification that this Karoq comes with is folding tables at the back. If you're interested in this vehicle, please contact us. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.